The truck market has never been so out of control. Prices skyrocketing, unreliable models being sold as new, and you, the consumer, being pushed into buying something that's worth nothing. It's a dirty game, and the automakers are winning at your expense. If you've ever regretted a purchase or spent way more than you should have, you're not alone. The truth is, the truck market is leaving owners furious, while sellers are smiling all the way to the bank. It's time to wake up and avoid the traps lurking ahead. Coming in at 5th place is the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, a truck that promised to fix the issues of its predecessors, but ended up falling short in many areas. If you look back at the early 2000s, pickups were built to last, offering years of reliable service with minimal problems. You could expect your truck to go well beyond 200,000 miles without major issues, but by 2016, that reputation had already started to fade. The 2016 Silverado may have had a facelift, giving it a modern look, but underneath, it still had the same issues. Transmission problems like hard shifting and hesitation were common, leaving many owners frustrated. And let's not forget the infamous Chevy shake, a vibration that made highway driving a miserable experience. It's a far cry from the rugged, dependable workhorse that the Silverado used to be. The truth is, the 2016 Silverado was a truck that seemed to have all the looks, but lacked the heart. If you're thinking about buying this truck, be warned, it's a money pit in disguise. Don't make the mistake of thinking the facelift means a better truck. Do your research and find out which Silverado years actually live up to the legacy. Before you buy, make sure you're choosing a truck that delivers the reliability and strength you need. Do your homework and avoid the pitfalls of the 2016 Silverado. Coming in at 4th place is the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, a truck that was meant to lead the way into the future of pickups, but ended up continuing a troubling trend. When you think of the Silverado, you think of a truck that could handle anything, one that would keep going long after you expected it to, hundreds of thousands of miles without hesitation. But the 2022 Silverado is far from that ideal. Sure, the design was refreshed and it looks sleek, but underneath all the shiny new features, it still has major issues that make you question whether this is really the future of American trucks. Owners have reported issues with the electronic systems, from infotainment glitches to automatic braking failures, making the truck feel less like a reliable workhorse and more like a high-tech headache. It's frustrating to see a truck with so much potential continue to suffer from these ongoing issues, especially when you compare it to the trucks of years past that didn't need constant repairs and updates. The 2022 Silverado may look like the truck of tomorrow, but it's clear that the reliability of the past is something it still hasn't figured out. If you're thinking about buying one, you need to ask yourself, is this the Silverado you want? Do your research and make sure you're investing in a truck that will actually stand the test of time. Don't fall for the flashy updates. Make sure your next truck is one that really delivers. Look into the Silverado years that offer true reliability and strength. Coming in at 3rd place is the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, a model that was supposed to represent a new chapter for Chevy's flagship pickup. But instead of bringing the promise of reliability and toughness, it introduced a host of problems that would make any buyer question their decision. The days when you could trust a Silverado to run for hundreds of thousands of miles without major repairs feel like a distant memory. Back in the 90s and early 2000s, trucks were simple, rugged, and durable. But by 2014, it was clear that the Silverado was no longer the dependable workhorse it once was. With AC condenser failures, vibration issues, and the Chevy shake at highway speeds, the 2014 Silverado was full of flaws that left owners spending more time at the mechanic than on the road. While it may look like a tough truck on the outside, it often felt like a money pit beneath the surface. This isn't the Silverado that built its reputation on dependability. It's a shadow of what once was. If you're still considering buying a 2014 Silverado, don't be fooled by the appearance. Do your research and avoid sinking money into a truck that's only going to cause frustration and costly repairs. Don't settle for a truck that lets you down. Look for a Silverado that actually delivers the reliability you expect. Coming in at second place is the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, a model that promised to fix the mistakes of its predecessors but ended up being just as disappointing. Back in the good old days, the Silverado was known for its reliability, with trucks that could be trusted to work for hundreds of thousands of miles without a major breakdown. But by 2019, that trust had started to slip away. While the 2019 Silverado looked like a promising redesign, it still carried over many of the same issues that plagued earlier models, from transmission problems like shifting delays to the Chevy shake that made driving at highway speeds unbearable. It felt like the Silverado was no longer the dependable workhorse it once was. The exterior may have been modernized, but the core problems were still there. The 2019 Silverado proved that even the most well-known truck brands aren't immune to cutting corners and sacrificing quality for style. If you're thinking of buying a 2019 Silverado, think twice. The flashy redesign doesn't hide the fact that this truck still carries the same frustrations as its predecessors. Do your homework and don't let the updates fool you into making the same mistake. Make sure you're investing in a truck that will last. Look for a Silverado that stands the test of time, not just the design. Coming in at first place is the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 6.2-liter, the newest and perhaps the most disappointing of them all. Once, the Silverado was synonymous with dependability, a truck you could count on for years, not just a few seasons. But now, with the 2024 Silverado, the promise of a reliable workhorse seems to be nothing more than a distant memory. The 6.2-liter engine was supposed to deliver raw power and smooth performance, but for many owners, it's been nothing but a headache. From engine failures to reports of oil consumption problems, the Silverado that once stood as a symbol of American strength now feels like a ticking bomb. The truck may look good on paper, but in reality, it's still plagued with issues that could cost you thousands in repairs. The question is, how did we go from tough, long-lasting trucks to models that barely make it past 50,000 miles without a major problem? The 2024 Silverado 1500 6.2-liter is a clear example of how far we've fallen from the days of reliable pickups. Before you invest in one, make sure you're aware of the problems it could bring into your life. Don't be fooled by the flashy new features. Do your research and avoid the frustration. Don't risk another disappointing purchase. Make sure you're getting a Silverado that actually lasts, not just a pretty package. Now that we've covered the Silverados to avoid, let's focus on the ones worth your investment. The trucks that still deliver on the reliability and durability you expect. Coming in at third place is the 2003 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, a truck that exemplifies what the Silverado used to represent: true reliability, strength, and longevity. This was a time when American trucks were still built with simplicity and durability in mind. Back in 2003, the Silverado was a no-nonsense pickup that was designed to get the job done, day in and day out. When you drove a Silverado back then, you didn't have to worry about endless repairs or major breakdowns after just a few years. It was built to go the distance, often pushing well over 300,000 miles without requiring major work. The 5.3-liter V8 engine in the 2003 Silverado is one of the most praised engines in Chevy's history. Known for its power and reliability, it continues to run strong in many trucks still on the road today. While modern pickups have become more complicated and laden with unnecessary features, the 2003 Silverado focused on what really mattered: the core performance that made it a staple in the industry. The 2003 Silverado doesn't need the flashy tech or advanced features to impress. It's built for real work, made to take a beating and keep on going. In a time when trucks were designed to handle any job, this Silverado was a trusted companion for years. The modern Silverado, with all its updates, can't seem to hold a candle to the durability and dependability of this older model. So, if you're tired of trucks that need constant attention and repairs, the 2003 Silverado proves that sometimes the older models were simply built better. It's a perfect example of how Chevy used to design trucks to be dependable, tough, and ready for anything. If you're looking for a truck that keeps on going year after year, don't overlook the 2003 Silverado. It's one that still gets the job done right. Coming in at second place is the 2006-2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD in 3500 HD Duramax LBZ, a true legend among diesel trucks. If you're looking for a workhorse that can handle any job and still run strong after hundreds of thousands of miles, this is the Silverado you want. Back in the early 2000s, when pickup trucks were still about toughness and real performance, the Duramax LBZ engine was one of the most reliable and powerful engines Chevy ever made. Unlike today's modern trucks, which often suffer from complex systems and hidden issues, the LBZ Duramax was a simple yet powerful engine that had a reputation for going the distance without major problems. The 6.6-liter Duramax V8 engine was capable of producing 360 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most sought-after diesel engines in the market. Paired with the Allison 1000 6-speed automatic transmission, this combination offered not only power, but exceptional reliability, which is why many of these trucks are still on the road today, serving their owners well beyond 300,000 miles. While modern trucks have more tech, the 2006-2007 Silverado 2500 HD and 3500 HD is a straightforward workhorse that does what it's supposed to do: haul, tow, and keep on working. These trucks weren't built for fancy features or luxury rides. They were made to get the job done, no questions asked. The Duramax LBZ engine continues to have a massive following, with owners praising its longevity and performance, even years after it was produced. If you're looking for a dependable, powerful diesel truck, this is the one you want. The 2006-2007 Duramax LBZ Silverado is a truck that will serve you for decades if you take care of it. If you're serious about getting a truck that will last, the 2006-2007 Duramax LBZ is your best bet. Don't settle for anything less than a true workhorse. Coming in at first place is the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. A model that has stood the test of time and continues to be one of the most reliable trucks in the market. Back in 2012, Chevrolet delivered a Silverado that was not only dependable, but also affordable. This was a time when pickups were still built to last, designed to handle any task without constant trips to the mechanic. The 5.3-liter V8 in the 2012 Silverado was known for its strength and long-lasting durability, making it a favorite among truck enthusiasts. Unlike the trucks of today, the 2012 Silverado didn't rely on complex electronics or gimmicks. It was built with a focus on simplicity and performance, offering a reliable ride for those who needed it most. Many owners of the 2012 Silverado have reported reaching 300,000 miles or more without major issues, a testament to the truck's design and engineering. The truck's solid construction and proven drivetrain make it a true workhorse, one that doesn't break down after a few years of use. In an era where trucks are often plagued with complex systems that fail prematurely, the 2012 Silverado is a refreshing reminder of a time when pickups were built to serve their owners for decades. It's a truck that's both affordable and reliable, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a vehicle that can withstand the test of time. If you're in the market for a truck that will keep working for you for years to come, the 2012 Silverado 1500 should be at the top of your list. If you're looking for a truck that delivers true reliability, the 2012 Silverado is the one to choose. Don't settle for anything less than this workhorse. As we've seen today, choosing the right Silverado can be a game changer when it comes to reliability and long-term performance. The right truck can serve you for years, while the wrong one can turn into nothing but a constant headache and expensive repairs. Don't let yourself fall for the flashy designs and false promises of some models. Look for the ones that have a proven track record of durability and dependability. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with others who might be in the market for a truck, and drop a comment below letting us know your thoughts. Subscribe for more tips and truck insights. Choosing the right truck can be a big decision, but with the right knowledge, you can make an informed choice that'll serve you well for years to come. Stay smart, stay informed, and keep driving with confidence.